everyone, welcome back to FORnSEC Solution. In today's video, we are going to explore OMINI OSINT. This Python application is an OSINT, Open Resource Intelligence tool. It's perform online information gathering by querying Google for search result related to a user input query. The tool extracts relevant information such as title, URL, and potential mention on the query in the result. OmniOcean provides a wealth of targetable and actionable results, empowering users with valuable insight and intelligence from the digital landscape. Here are some key points. First one is identifying potential threats. Second one is monitoring competitor. Third one is gathering human intelligence. And fourth one, detecting brand mention. Fifth one, investigation individually. Sixth one, uncovering financial insight. Seventh one, mapping digital footprint. Eighth one, tracking online campaigns. And ninth one, monitoring regulatory compliance. And tenth one, forecasting emergency risks. And 11th one, Google search filtering. Omni OSINT tool deliver actionable insight that enable user to make informed decision, mitigate risk, and capitalize on opportunity in a rapidly evolving digital landscape. Now open the Kali Linux machine. You can download this tool from GitHub. Now write down OMINIS OSINT. Enter. Now click on first link and copy the code. And now go to the terminal, write down git clone and paste here. Now enter. Wait for few seconds. After installing the tool, you have to use this command to start the tool. cd OMINIS OSINT. Enter. Now we are in the directory of OMINI OSINT. Now write down. Now write ls. Enter. Now requirement.txt. We will return down in this pip3 install -r requirement.txt. We use this command for required files. Now let's start the tool now. Write down Python 3 OMINIS dot py. Enter. Now the tool was running. Wait for a few seconds. Example, to take a user, one of your friend or yours. This tool will generate link all social media where they present. So now take an example of a user. Now the Gates. Enter. Enter the language code. LNG. EN. Enter. Enter the country code. Enter. You can skip this. Also this you can skip. Now enable proxy rotation. Disable. Now Now wait for a few seconds. They will generate a link. So in this, you want to run a username, search, yes, enter, including this title, no, enter, including description, no, enter, including HTML content, no, enter. Now the URL will generate it. TikTok, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, pentest.com, not many more. So wait for a few seconds. It will generate a more information. You can take your example also and your friend also. This tool will help you. If you like this video, do give a thumbs up and also do a subscribe channel because your one thumbs up, it's really helpful a lot. Thank you to watching this video. Stay safe and stay secure.